Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to tighten, loosen and reposition the Condomounts Column TV mount. Enjoy! Please subscribe to our channel. We will be producing more videos as you request them. After you have put the strap around the pillar, you want to find the slot so that you can put in the strap. So for that you can keep rotating the handle till you get the right position of the slot, and then put in the strap into that slot, and you want to pull that strap snug to the pillar and start rotating the handle till it's tight. So do this really tight till the maximum strength, and once that is done, fold that to all the way till the end and fold the extra strap to make it neat. So the next we're going to show you how to open it. You have to pull this, okay? Pull this and then push it all the way to the back. You will hear the click sound, and then it's loosened. If you want to take it out, just proceed to pull it out. You want to push this up like that. So again, push this up and then hold it out all the way to the back. And then once you do that, it is loose and you can pull it away, or you can use your hand to pull that out. What we're going to do now is just loosen it to move the position, right? So to loosen it, it's currently locked, so you want to hold the lever and handle together, right? How you want to hold it, which fingers you want to use, it's up to you, but the intention is to hold them together and open it up 180 degrees. So as soon as you open it up 180 degrees, you will hear the click sound, and now it is loose. So this you just can, once it's loose, you get some slack, you can adjust the position of your mounting bracket on the wall, and then you see that it's stuck in the 180 degree position. You want to hold the lever and handle again together to fold it, and once it's in the folding position, the ratcheting mechanism is on. So now you can start tightening it to how hard you want it, right? So this is the way how to loosen and tightening it when you're adjusting the height or the position of the mount.